All right, we have another one of these questions with directions. At the top it says directions. Type your answer in the box. It doesn't really help us too much, but our question says the height and radius of a cone are each multiplied by 3. What effect does this have on the volume of the cone? And there are kind of two ways that you can approach this problem, and I'll do both of them separately. One of the things you can do is you can look at the formula for volume of a cone. You go to your formula sheet and you see that for a cone, V is equal to pi r squared h. And you're told what you're doing to your radius and to your height. What you can do is you can take your formula and you can expand your exponents. This just prevents you from making a little algebraic error. V is equal to, I guess that should be the word error, pi r r h. We're told that the height and the radius are multiplied by 3. So I'm going to take my radius, I'm going to multiply it by 3. Take my radius, multiply it by 3. Take my height, multiply it by 3. Anything you do on the right side of an equation, you have to do on the left side. So if this is my volume, I'm going to multiply it by 3 times. You're going to do 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. The answer to this question is that the volume of the cone is multiplied by 27. Another way you could approach this problem is understanding the relationship between your dimensions, your surface area, and your volume. For this problem, all of the dimensions of the cone, both the radius and the height, are multiplied by 3. The surface area is whatever your dimensions do squared. So the surface area would be times 3 squared, which is 9. The volume is whatever your dimensions do to the third power. 3 to the third power is 27. This chart is helpful when all your dimensions change in the same way, and it works for this problem. It's not always going to be as helpful as writing out the formula, though. The correct answer is the volume of the cone is multiplied by 27.